What's up guys, this is Tampatec and I hope everyone is doing well during these crazy times. I didn't want to make this video. I just tell you the truth, I didn't want to make this video because it's a how-to tech channel and not a how to make hand sanitizers channel, but I find that this video might be helpful for you guys, my viewers, my subscribers. And so I decided, let me go ahead and do it and see if this video helps anyone out that can't find hand sanitizers and they can make their own at home. This method I'm showing you is from the Rachel Ray show. She actually got a doctor on the show and showed the proper way to make hand sanitizers. I'll leave a link in the video description below so you guys can click on that link and watch that video as well. But don't listen to YouTubers. They don't know crap unless they're doctors. And just do your own research, but make sure you're getting the research from a doctor or a professional, not just a random YouTuber. Hand sanitizers are the second best way to kill germs on your hand. The first best way, of course, is soap and washing your hands with soap under hot water or warm water for about 30 seconds. And you do the palms, the back of your hand, crisscross, and then you rub your fingers together like that, and your thumbs and your wrists. That's what he showed in the other video. I'll leave that link. And so let's go ahead and move forward with this process so you guys can see what I'm doing here. Now, of course, rubbing alcohol is the main ingredient that kills the viruses. It's not the lotions. The lotions just prevent your hand from over drying. Now, anything 70% or higher works really well. Of course, 90% alcohol works better, and 99% alcohol works the best. So if you can get your hands on something like that, then that's pretty much all you need. You don't really need the lotion. You could just use this right here, 91% alcohol, and just spray your hand like that on both sides. And you have to do it quickly because it dries quickly. And you rub really hard like that, and make sure you get everything like that. But then all the dead viruses or cells are still on your hand. You still have to rinse your hand eventually. That's why soap and water is so much better, because it actually rinses it off your hands, whereas this kills it, but you still have it on your hands. So remember, it kills it 99% of the viruses and germs, not 100%. There's some funny jokes that are going around, and one joke that I heard was, before I had a cough to cover my fart, but now I have to fart to cover my cough. And then Jimmy Kimmel made a joke about the world's going to Perel in a handbasket. I thought that was funny because that was a hand sanitizer joke. So you're gonna use 2/3 of alcohol. So I got this 4-ounce bottle right here, and we're gonna pour to that third line. And then next, we're gonna use aloe. This is aloe gel. And you could put 1/3 or just a little bit so your hands don't over dry. Alright, so that's almost there. We're gonna keep on going for a little bit more. I think that's good right there. And then we're gonna shake it up. It's almost, I need a little bit more actually. It's almost to that line, 4-ounce line. So here we go. I got it to the 4th line right there, and you want to shake it up. Looks like hand sanitizer, doesn't it? It looks like slime actually. Oh, it feels exactly like hand sanitizer. Smells like it too. So you want to rub hard because that breaks up and destroys the germs better, because they have an outer shell. And when you rub hard, it destroys that outer shell and it breaks them apart. For this one, we're going to use 99% alcohol, a little bit stronger. I use this to clean my circuit boards. And let's pour it up to that 3rd line once again. There it is. Lock it up. And I'm gonna try a different lotion. This is vitamin E cocoa butter. Nothing ever works out the way I thought. And because it's a lot thicker, I might just put less in it. Let me go ahead and now close it up and shake it up. Now this lotion got all broken up in the bottle. I wouldn't use hand lotion. It doesn't look right. It just looks like it's kind of like disgusting and it's a mess. All right, let's see if this is, see, it's basically rubbing alcohol and it's lotion that's broken up inside the rubbing alcohol. It's not mixing at all. It still works a little bit, but I definitely would use the aloe versus the lotion because the lotion just breaks up in the hand sanitizer bottle or doesn't mix well with the alcohol that's in the hand sanitizer. So my personal opinion, I think the aloe works the best with alcohol when you mix it. But don't listen to YouTubers, listen to the doctors. They say wash your hands is the best way to keep clean. I did fact check using ABC News as a reference. Washing your hands with soap for 5 seconds really doesn't do too much. And using hand sanitizers with no alcohol really doesn't do too much either. But using hand sanitizers with 60% alcohol or higher for 15 seconds does pretty good job. And washing your hands with soap for over 15 seconds really does the best job, according to ABC News. If this video was informative and it helped you out, give me a big thumbs up. If you know anyone that this video will help out or someone that may find this video interesting, go ahead and click on the share button below and share this video to them. And subscribe, hit that bell notification to stay updated on the latest tech videos. Later, guys.